Listen, if you got kids or even think about camping, y'all need to check this tent out. So I got this instant cabin tent and popped it open in the backyard because I had to see if it was actually big enough for our family of 4. All right, so first of all, let me tell you how fast this went up because I was not expecting this. It took me just maybe 10 minutes to pop it open, lock the poles in place, and place the guy lines in with the ground stakes. And y'all, that was just me by myself putting it up for the first time too. So imagine if it was 2 people, like half the time. I'm not even kidding. The poles are already attached, so you literally lift it, click it, and it's standing. You don't even need instructions because there's no need to guess what goes where, and you're not fighting with poles like the traditional tents. I'm telling y'all, if you're a beginner or just tired of doing the most when it comes to camping, this tent is a blessing. The second I put this up, my girls ran straight inside like it was their new house. Gigi dragged her little sofa in, and she likes being able to lay on the floor and look up through the mesh ceiling. But there is one thing to note. The inside roof is mesh, so if it rains, you do need to attach the rainfly. But don't worry, this thing is so easy to put on even with one person. Once I clipped on all 4 sides of the rainfly, all I had to do was tighten the guy lines so water doesn't pool in. It's so easy. But let's get back inside. Can y'all believe I'm standing fully upright in here at 5 feet 5 and with room to spare? So for reference, my husband is 6 feet 1 and he can actually stand straight up in the middle as well. When I tell you this thing is tall and it's big, it feels like a little room in my yard. And speaking of room, y'all, there's a little divider that comes with the tent and you can just clip it right in the middle to make 2 rooms inside. And you can fit 2 queen air mattresses with room to spare. So they say this can sleep 8 people, and I can see that if everyone just stays in one spot, but realistically, if you're camping with kids and all their stuff, I'd say 4 people is the sweet spot. For us, it's perfect for hanging out in the backyard, naps, reading time, even a little movie night with a projector. Oh, and y'all gotta check this out. Okay, so even though it's hot out right now, it's actually cool and feels really good inside, but here's why. There's mesh windows on all 4 sides and 2 vents at the bottom, and remember the whole ceiling is mesh too, so the air actually moves. Even with the girls running in and out, it didn't get stuffy. And at night, you can literally lay there and just look up at the stars. It's such a vibe. Y'all, and the weather stuff is legit too. The fabric is water resistant, the zipper has this little drainage channel so water doesn't sneak in, and the bottom is built like a tub so water doesn't pool inside. Even the stakes and guy lines can handle winds up to 35 miles per hour, which is shocking to me for something that sets up this fast. Man, the little details actually matter. The zippers don't snag, the mesh keeps bugs out, the frame is sturdy, but the whole tent is still lightweight. There's even a little port for a power cord if you want to plug in a fan or lights. Oh, and I forgot the little 2 pockets in there, y'all. That'll hold all your little tiny things. And there's also a gear loft you can attach to the ceiling, which is great for organizing small items like wallets, keys, and phones, or keeping your gear dry and off the tent floor. The attached hook also allows you to hang a lantern if you want. Yeah, what started as me just checking the size of this tent turned into the girls' new favorite spot. We played, we snacked, we laid down and chilled, and now I'm just wondering why haven't we had this sooner? So this is our go-to tent now for camping, for backyard days, playtime, all of it. It's easy, spacious, sturdy, and it just makes being outside with the kids feel fun instead of stressful. Definitely recommend checking this out by Fantik Outdoor.